Alright, good morning again. I've spent the last about hour and a half. These are going to be my cowpea beds, and I've just been prepping them. I just got them all planted, and I just want to show you guys real quick and make a note for myself when this thing's 3 feet tall 2 months from now, what I started out with. But these were the old potato patches that I dug out 2 weeks ago probably, and I've pretty much gone through. You can see basic processes. You go through, you pull your mulch to the side. I don't know if you can see that, but that's all the mulch that was on top of this bed. You don't want to incorporate your mulch into the bed. You want to pull it to the side. We can pull it back over later. I push some to the back here, push some over here. Then I like to come through and I put a couple amendments in. These are beans, more or less. I don't think they need a whole bunch of amendments, but I did it anyways just for fun. And what I do is I come back in and I put some bone meal, some blood meal, and this stuff is not my first time trying it, but it's EB Stone all-purpose plant food. It's 100% organic. It's I don't know if you can see it, but it's 555, which is just a pretty nice simple fertilizer. They say they got the microbes in it. We'll see about that. I don't own a microscope, so I don't know. And then I come back and I top it with this stuff. Let's see. Garden Time Mushroom Compost. This stuff is $2 a bag at Home Depot. And the reason I'm not using my own compost is because I've used it all already and I don't have any more to go. So I wanted to get some organic material into this bed. It was a little depleted. And this stuff... Let's see, where's it at? Usually these things that say organic on them have a, there we go, ingredients list. So, ingredients: compost, peat moss, and coir. Coir is the husk off of a coconut. The peat moss is usually considered a no-no because of the, it's not a renewable resource, but for $2 a bag, I threw a few bags out on top. Once you do that, you come back through, and I don't flip and I don't till. I already dug this thing up pretty good, getting the tomatoes or the potatoes out. What you want to do is just crack your soil. I don't know, I can't see, the sun's in my eyes. More or less cracking is, boom. You shove your fork in the ground like that. You go like this, you go like that, boom, you're done. That's just cracking the soil. You kind of incorporate all the stuff we've just amended to it, but we're not like breaking up the soil and turning it all over the place. So that's how I do my garden beds usually. I'll show you some of the stuff I put in here. Oh god, there's a lot of stuff. So let's see what we got here. So these are cowpeas. Some people call them black-eyed peas. These are from a really cool outfit called Native Seed Search. If you if you garden in Phoenix or anywhere in the desert Southwest, look these guys up. They sell arid, dryland adapted seeds for growing just here. These guys sell the best stuff. And I just did a bunch of cowpeas. I got those. I put some of these red sunflowers in because, believe it or not, I do like having flowers in my garden. What else we got here? I got more cowpeas. This is probably what, when you guys see a picture of a black-eyed pea, what you think of. But they come in a lot of different varieties. Oh yeah, I planted this melon, and it's called Melon Mexicano. Well, to me it looks like a cantaloupe, but you can call it whatever you want. I got some of those out there. Let's see what else we got. Okay, these are cool. More cowpeas. These are Tohono O'odham. If you look at them in the picture, they kind of look like Holstein cows. You know, the way they're kind of speckly like that. I like those. All these are another cool one. Another cowpea. These are Bisbee Reds. You can see the red. What else we got here? Okay, these are more cowpeas. Tarahumara, which is a region down in Mexico. Another set of cowpeas, or black-eyed pea, whatever you want to call it. Oh yeah, I sprinkled in some tomatillos. And what else we got here? More cowpeas. These are Bisbee Blacks. can see real black bean. And then these are, okay. Guajillo, frijole, gamuza. I have no idea what that means. Some kind of bean, but it's another cowpea I planted. And then I planted these guys. These are always fun. These are the mammoth sunflower seeds. Literally, these things get, well, my sunflowers already get like 12 feet tall. I got one back here that's super huge, but I don't get the super big, giant sunflower heads on them. I get all these little guys. You can kind of see them right there. They just sprout. Those are my wild ones that grow back here. So I like to mix in some other ones once in a while. But yeah, that's about it. I am done planting the garden. It's getting warm out. And I'm going to turn the water on this thing and water it for a few days till I start seeing stuff germinate. And then once everything gets up about 6 inches, I'll come back in, put the mulch down. That's how I like to do it. That way you're not having mulch contact new seedlings, which can bring problems to them. But thanks for watching. This has been Aaron from Booyah Farms, and this is going to be our black-eyed pea bed for the summer.